Hello, Colleen. Happy birthday. I'm your mommy, tita, your ninang, your yaya, everything. Sana all. I remember nung bata pa si Colleen, nagbabakasyon sila sa Pangasinan. In the absence of the parents, ako ang tumata yung mami nila. Lahat, hindi ako makalakwat siya dahil andyan dyan mga pamangkin ko. Lalong-lalo na mga ito. Nagbabakasyon sila, alaga ko sila. Wish ko lang sa'yo, Colleen, mag-aral ka mabuti. Dahil ako yung ninang mo, ako yung tita mo. Ah, ah, Sana lahat ng wish mo sa birthday mo ngayon matupad. At ang wish ko para sa'yo, maging isang doktor. Happy birthday. I love you, Colleen.
Thank you so much, Miss Amalia Zulweta. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our third candle. She is my co-host. Of course, the Colleen's cousin on father's side. Let's welcome right now Lorraine Joyce Del Rosario.
Ayan. My youngest cousin is now a fine young lady. So they were growing up, we remember our carefree summer days. We would usually take vacation in our hometown, back in the province. You were the youngest, and I'm the oldest in our clan, well, as cousins. But we instantly clicked. You were nicknamed as Joy Joy, and you truly embody your nickname because you're such a happy person. Your happiness are out of all the simplicity in the world. So I won't make this long, but I would just like to say that I'm always here for you. I'm one message away, one call away. And I'm really happy to witness you grow, metamorphose into such a fine young lady that you are now. And I will always be there whenever you need me. Love you.
Thank you so much, Lorraine Joyce Del Rosario. Next up, let's welcome right now Colleen's cousin on her mother's side. Let's welcome Miss Dayanara Sotelo.
Hi, Colleen. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman na laging nandito si ate para sa'yo and super, super proud ako sa'yo. And alam mo yung mga little chit-chats natin and yung secrets natin, alam mo yun. Alam mo, ikaw yung isa sa mga pinsan ko na sobrang sweet. Kahit alam mo yung, wala na kami sa mood, pero ikaw pa yung nag-lift up sa amin. So, sobrang, na-appreciate namin yun. And ate will always love you, same as Ate CJ. And alam mo na yung regalo ko sa'yo. Pero secret muna ulit yon kung anong regalo ko sa'yo. Susunod na lang. Pero yun, happy birthday and I love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Dayanara Sotelo. Next up, let's welcome Colleen's cousin on father's side, Miss Maria Carmela Aquino.
Hi, Colleen. First of all, happy 18th birthday. So I would just like to congratulate you as you enter to your new life's journey. So wala na akong ibang wish sa'yo, but I hope you continue to chase your dreams and sana pagbutihin mo lagi. I know every time ginagawa mo yung best mo and I'm always here for you and more birthdays and more blessings to come and sana i-continue pa na i-bless ni God ikaw and of course your family. Yan lang and happy birthday. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, Carmela. Another candle is a friend of her mother, Miss Lilibeth Romero.
My life is brilliant.
Colleen, parang kailan lang nung hinahatid ko kayo ni Marion sa UST na natutulog sa likod ng kotse. Today is your special day and your family. I hope that you continue to change the life of others.
with your positive and beautiful spirit. I also hope that you achieve all your dreams and become the best version of yourself. Happy birthday.
You're beautiful.
Now, next up, let's welcome right now classmates since nursery until grade 7 in IJLA and best friend, Miss Ira Clarice de Guzman.
And I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you.
Hi, Colleen. Happy birthday. You look very, very lovely tonight. Siguro yung message ko sa'yo is, thankful ako na you're being such a great friend kasi even though hindi tayo nakapag-usap na sobrang tagal, like, hindi tayo nakapag-kita or interact, ganun, you still continued to be such a great friend of mine. Ang wish ko para sa'yo is, your success in life and happiness in life, and you continue to be a great daughter to your parents, a great sister to your ate, and a great friend of everybody else's and mine. Yan. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed this very lovely event. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Ira. Another classmate of Colleen in grade 8 to 9 in UST JHS and a best friend, Miss Iris Shane Dimaon.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's
Hello. So, first of all, happy legality. We've come a long way simula nung grade 8. Our life is full of ups and downs. And patagal ng patagal, magiging mas mahirap yung mga gagawin natin, pero alam kong kakayanin mo yan. Tsaka di ba magdodoktor pa tayo kahit na hindi talaga tayo sure. Pero kung hindi talaga natin maabot yon, edi mag-asawa na lang tayo ng doktor. Kidding aside, thank you for being my friend and looking forward to more chikahan and puyatan with you. I hope na maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Again, welcome to adulthood. More things to do, more responsibilities. Pero I know nakakayanin mo yan. Always remember na nandito kami para sa'yo at susuportahan ka hanggang sa dulo. I hope you will enjoy this very wonderful and special day of yours. And may God bless you and your family. Love you.
Thank you so much, Irish. Now, here we go with a co-member in UST JAH Glee Club and friend, Miss Amanda Abejo.
that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the time.
Hi, Ate Colleen. During my junior years in our club, you are one of the seniors with whom I had the opportunity to become acquainted with. Thank you for being warm and approachable. Thank you for all the wonderful memories and chikahans we've shared. I wish you all the happiness in the world and the fulfillment of your dreams. May you continue to be a kind-hearted person and a blessing to the people around you. Happy birthday, Ate Colleen.
She's all that I need. I'm out of my league once again.
Thank you, Miss Amanda. Another candle is Colleen's classmate in grade 8 and now in senior high school at UST. She's also one of Colleen's closest friend, Miss Agnieszka Isabella Estialbo.
It's a masterful melody.
Hi, Colleen. Hi, Be. Hi, Te. And hello, Colleen. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. And first of all, gusto ko mag-thank you kasi thanks for being such a reliable, trustworthy, and sobrang... And thank you rin sa pagtiyaga mo sa mga daldal ko, sa pangungulit ko during may pasok. At ayun, sir. I'm thankful for those nights na dinadamayan mo ako kapag nasustress ako sa ACADS, kapag
pagyarant ako kasi may kagrupong ganito, ganyan. Alam mo na yun. So, and it's nice to think na after 2 years, naging magka-close ulit tayo, naging magka-klase ulit tayo after ng grade 8. So, ayun, I'm wishing you all the best in life. Sana maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo and maging successful ka in the future. So, I hope you have a good one tonight. Happy birthday, Colleen. God bless and enjoy.
Thank you, Agnieszka. Now let's move on with a classmate since nursery until grade 7 in IJLA and boy best friend, Mr. Sean Tyrese Capulo.
Ayan, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na andito ka na sa punto ng buhay mo na magbubukas na yung mas maraming opportunities at mas maraming pang pinto para sa'yo. At masaya ako dahil nga isa ka sa mga tao na nakasama ko sa hirap at ginhawa nung junior high at syempre nung LM talaga. At isa ka rin sa mga taong nilulook up ko before dahil nga ang talino mo, tapos ang sobrang talented mo pa, nakakasama pa kita sa mga intermission numbers, sa mga program sa school at lagi talaga yung magkadikit. Kaya nga kanina, nung papasok ka, nung una pa talagang bagsak nung piano nung kanta, alam ko ng reflection at na-miss ko talaga yung kanta natin. Alam mo yan, kinakanta natin yan sa likod ni Sir Rick dati. Nakakamiss yung mga ganong panahon. Happy birthday. Alam ko naman sa bawat ginagawa mo, binibigay mo lahat at sobrang proud ako sa'yo doon. Nakikita ko yung mga stories mo, nakikita ko yung mga posts mo, at sobrang sa'yo ko na nakikita kita na nag-i-strive, nakikita kita na nag-glow lalo. Ayan, dapat fresh tayo ngayon ha. At isa pa, thank you for being my, isa sa mga kaibigan ko na talagang kasama ko sa lahat. And kahit hindi man na tayo gano'n nakakapag-usap, nagkalayo-layo man tayo, nagkakalayo man tayo nila sa infant, nagkalayo man tayo doon. Hanggang ngayon, ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin na yung friendship, ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin yung love na binuo natin nung bata pa tayo. At kapag nag-uusap nga tayo, sobrang malala pa. Kaya sa new chapter ng life mo, may mga pagkakataon sa atin, may mga araw na manghihina tayo, yung mga araw na tutumba tayo, pero alam kong aangat tayo dahil tuloy pa rin ang kalembang ng buhay. Ayan. Kaya when I say happy, you say birthday happy? 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 Happy birthday, sex bomb Colleen. Get? Ow!
Thank you, Sean. Next candle is Colleen's classmate in grade 8 to 9 in USC JHS and a best friend, Miss Francine Ariana Di Matulak.
You made me feel as though I wasn't all. We danced the night away.
Hi sis, I know naghahanap ka ng long pero this is short but concise. So happy 18th birthday to one of my most wonderful friends. We've come this far from grade 9 to present. Always keep smiling because it suits you the most. Best wishes to you. I couldn't imagine growing up with a better friend. You know just what to say to bring up my spirits up. And in good times or bad, you're always there. I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you, and I wish you the perseverance to live your life to the fullest. Through this new adventure of adulthood, you'll always find me beside you. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Thank you, Francine. Now let's move on with co-member in USD JHS Glee Club and a friend, Miss Lorraine Ann Ragindin.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was
Hi, Ate Colleen. Oh my God. Happy 18th birthday po. Miss you so much, Ate. And it has been so long na rin since we last saw each other. Kaya nilaban ko rin talaga pumunta sa debut eh. Pero ayun, we know each other for a long time na rin. We made a lot of memories and became one of my close friends sa Glee Club. And you have become my ate and a friend that I can always lean on. So ate, happy birthday. My wish for you is for your happiness. Always be happy. Enjoy your life because you know life is short. And I also wish for your good health. Sana you're always healthy. And I wish that your life will be successful and that your dreams will all come true. Ayun, na happy birthday, ate. Always remember that I will always be there for you and I am just one call away. More birthdays to come and wish you all the best. Happy birthday po.
Thank you, Miss Lorene.
I'll thank my lucky
Next one is Colleen's classmate in USA Senior High School and one of her closest friends, Miss Zadiel Santos.
I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look beautiful.
Hi, Colleen! Nice to see you na kahit nagkita lang tayo through online. Masayang-masaya ako kasi naging classmates tayo. Thankful din ako na naging groupmates tayo dun sa subject na yun kasi kung hindi, di tayo maging magkaibigan siguro. I wish you nothing but all the best. I wish you long life, stay safe and healthy. I love you so much.
Thank you, Zadiel. Now let's move on with the classmates since nursery until grade 7 in IJLA. And best friend, Miss Micaela Juchel Guevara.
I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there.
Hi, Mari Cakes! Wishing you a happy birthday. Keep your sparkle shining bright because you're at your rising star. And I'm so thankful na naging kaibigan kita kasi hindi ka pa din nakakalimot na nagbabago like before. Thank you so much for being a good friend to me and I love you.
Thank you, Micaela. Next on the list is another classmate since nursery until grade 7 in IJLA and a best friend, Miss Abigail Joanne Torres.
Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one.
Ayan. Hi, Colleen. So, first of all, thank you for inviting me to celebrate one of the most important event of your life. Siguro, I just wanna say na I'm glad naging mag-best friend tayo kasi since day one ng nursery, tayo na lagi ang magkasama kahit sa lahat. Like, kahit pag-CR magkasama tayo. Di ba? So, ayun lang. Treasure every moment. Enjoy your life. Though hindi may iwasan ang mga problems, but always remember that we're here to support you and be there for you when in need. Happy birthday, Colleen. I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Abigail. Now let's move on with Colleen's classmate in grade 8 to 9 in USD JHS and best friend, Miss Clarice Marie Capuno.